What's up guys, my name is Nicardo Shirley. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I encourage you to take that first step. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some simple ways you can use to become a better YouTuber, a better content creator, and avoid messing up and filming a video. Alright, so let's jump into the video. Alright, for instance, you are creating a video, right? And something goes wrong within your video. For instance, you mispronounce a word. There's sound in the background. What you can do is, instead of when you get interrupted by Jesus Cardan, someone making that, instead of pausing the video and then come back to it, I keep the camera rolling. Keep the camera rolling, because if I messed up a line, for instance, I'm saying how to comb my ear and I mispronounce a word, I can always stop, fix my posture, take a deep breath, and continue, rather than each time I messed up I delete the footage or pausing the camera and all those things. I just keep the camera rolling. When I'm editing, I make the necessary adjustment. So that is one way you can use to ensure that when you're filming your video, you don't really mess up. Another thing that you can do is ensure that you, for instance, you're not sure if you pronounce a word correctly, or you're not sure if the paragraph that you said is said correctly. What you can do is say that same thing 3 to 4 times but in a different way. When you're editing, you can always fit things and shuffle things around. So that's one way that I do when I'm filming my video. I keep the camera rolling. I recite a point 3 different ways, not the same way, 3 different ways, and then when I'm editing, I make the necessary adjustment to say, hey, I will use this clippage. Hey, I can tie this section with that section. Instead of when I'm editing, I don't have sufficient content or sufficient lines to use in my video. So although I'm filming, you see, I just make a mistake. I'm not going to cut the video. This will be in the video. This is an example of things, because these things can be used as bloopers. If you are creating your content and you want bloopers, these can use as bloopers. So you don't have to delete these footage. These can use as bloopers within your video, right? Another thing that I do when I'm filming, I make a little note, bullet points. These will help you to go and track. These are like guidelines to keep the content flowing, because you don't want to, in the middle of your film, and don't remember what to say. Hey, one keep. But if you have a bullet point right here, you can now and then take a glance, and the next point on my list is rat, and keep the convo going, instead of there trying to freestyle, because sometimes freestyling don't really work. Although I do a lot of freestyling, but not in all cases it works. So sometimes if you have a little bullet points to make keynotes of some of the things that you want to talk about in your video, that can also help. There's a lot of noise. See, I'm not going to stop the camera. I keep the camera rolling, right? So take that from me. Another thing that you can use to ensure that all goes well within your video and all those things, plan 1 day ahead. Don't rush into a video, because sometimes we rush and we have a brilliant idea, but we just jump into the video and everything collapses. You want time for your body to settle. You want to get into the groove. You want to mention all those key points, those key elements, because those are what going to bring out the video. So if you have those key elements, get your time, rehearse in your mind, because not all the time the script, you have your script, but not all the time you want to have an idea, so that at least a paragraph you can freestyle a paragraph. 2 paragraphs you can freestyle 2 paragraphs, and then glance every now and then on your bullet points just to see if you are on track. Yes guys, so that's some simple tips and tricks you can use depending on the video that you're doing. This won't work for comedy videos or all those things. This will only work for video like this one where I'm just talking, right? So thanks for watching, guys. My name is Nicardo Shirley. Again, hope you do enjoy this video, and remember, take that first step today.